Let's wait.
A day of peaceful republic.
We can get closer.
A slow simmer over.
Repay! I underestimated you. Receive divinity.
Unnecessary.
Don't get confused.
More seasoned. I'm honored, since you're already here. Why not have a meal before we leave?
Your end approaches. You fail to stand you.
Eternal step. Return!
Serenity is before me.
This.
Watch over you and guide you on your path.
A blade knows no mercy. That paradise, savor it for me.
It's done.
You,
You fail to stand you.
I've heard the call. Now farewell.
I like adding a little more heat.
Fail to stand you. The fight is set. That paradise, savor it for me.
I'll overcome. Serenity is before me.
Fail to stand you.
receive divinity.
I can't thank you enough.
Repay.
It's just a twinkling exercise.
Watch over you and guide you on your path.
I'm honored, since you're already here. Why not have a meal before we
Nothing major.
I've heard the call. Now farewell.
Fail to stand you. That paradise, savor it for me.
Trying fitting.
Thank you for your generous.
Eternal sleep. Dead return!
More seasoning.
Fail to stand you.
I'm honored, since you're already here. Why not have a meal before we leave?
Your end approaches.
Serenity is before me.
This.
Watch over you and guide you on your path.
I will dispatch you. Fail to stand you. Savor it for me.
How about letting the enemy strike first? More seasoning.
I'll see you off.
A blade knows no mercy.
I'll overcome. Now farewell.
Fail to stand you.
Receive divinity.
Thank you for your generosity.
Eternal step. Dead return!
It's begun. I'm honored, since you're already here. Why not have a meal before we leave?
Unnecessary.
Back.
I underestimated you.
The fight is set. Fail to stand you.
Serenity is before me.
How about letting the enemies a little more heat?
Receive divinity.
Unnecessary.
This.
Watch over you and guide you on your path.
Fail to set you.
Let the show begin.
Feeling lucky.
Show your courage.
I'm not built for this. You go ahead if you wish to engage. You deserve my attention.
Resonate all together. You'll lend me your strength.
Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things. Insanity. To the soul.
No dirty tricks.
Immortality means forever.
Troublesome. We've entered the storm. To guard and defend. Crush them.
I'm just a frail scholar. Insanity. Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things.
I hit the mark. Spend freely.
Tonight, stars echo.
The dice have been bust. Or maybe I'll take it all.
To the soul. Insanity.
This battle, lend me your strength.
To the soul. Insanity. Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things.
I hit Watch your head.
A miracle.
No dirty tricks. What's the matter?
You'll pay for this. Lend me your strength.
I'm just a frail scholar. Insanity. Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things.
We've entered the storm. To guard and defend. Crush them. This battle is lend me your strength.
What's Insanity. Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things.
The dice have been cast. Bust. Or maybe I'll take it all.
To the soul. Insanity.
You'll pay for this. Lend me your strength.
To the soul. Insanity. Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things.
Spend freely.
I'm just a frail scholar. To the soul. Insanity.
There's always a weakness. Lend me your strength.
To the soul. Insanity.
Tonight, stars echo.
Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things. To the soul.
The dice have bust. Or maybe I'll take it all. Watch your head.
This battle is unavoidable. Lend me your strength.
Insanity.
enter the storm. To guard and defend. Crush them.
Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things.
The dice have been cast. Bust. Or maybe I'll take it all.
Insanity. To the soul.
Lend me your strength.
I'm just a frail scholar. Insanity. To the soul. Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things. What's the insanity? To the soul.
There's always a weakness. Lend me your strength.
I'm just a frail scholar. Insanity. To the soul. Look, with this divine power, I reforge all things.
The dice have been bust. Or maybe I'll take it all. Watch your head.
Night. Stars echo.
What's the matter? Insanity.
Lend me your strength.